Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing this morning? I hope everyone is doing fine. Just state in the comment section how you doing this morning. Yes, today is a little chilly one, but I'm still looking fine, still looking good. I don't know if you can see, but my okra them busting up really nice. I just set these okra seed here. Usually I just set them in the earth that you ain't got a chance plant, but I just set them here. You know, I have some potato that I put here just to start pushing out the eyes. So I want to try and take them over to the garden. You know, I have a header right here. I don't know if you're seeing pushing out the eye. Yes, I'm just here looking at them this morning. It's pretty chilly this morning, so I don't want to wet them because I don't want the water to freeze. So I'm gonna wait till the sun come out a little more and give them some water. But these are some sweet pepper again and tomato mixed together. I definitely want to plant these out Monday. So small they be, but I'm still gonna plant them out Monday. All these I'm gonna plant them out Monday. Yes guys, so how you guys doing this morning? I hope you guys doing okay. So today we want to talk about the water challenge, the hot water challenge. I hope you guys is following this channel because following the challenge because it's very beneficial. So I hope you guys is really taking the time out and follow this challenge. Okay? A cup of hot water before you eat anything. After the water, you wait like 40 minutes before you eat anything. You could add water to it. You could add ginger to it. You could add lemon to it. Whatever you want. But you're not supposed to eat anything on that within that time. So I hope you guys is keeping up with that. It's for your own self, guys. Not for me, it's for your own self. And yes, today again we want to talk about the giveaway, $100 giveaway for that lucky winner on the 16th of April. So I hope everyone is following the rules. Comment, like, subscribe, and on that day there will be a lucky winner. You know, I enjoy you guys so much. I see you guys commenting, I see you guys liking the video. I appreciate you guys, because when you guys do that, it make me want to make more videos. I'm doing these little videos on this with my seeding because I'm not by my garden. I'm going over there today, so I'm going to do a video with updates about how everything going and start softening up the roots and all them kind of thing. So yes guys, I want to talk about loving yourself also. Loving yourself. Guys, if you don't love yourself, you can't expect anyone to love you. You got to love yourself first. And always put yourself first. Because you cannot loving everybody and not loving yourself. You come first. When you take care of yourself, you can take care of other people. But you got to take care of yourself. So you come first, guys. Love yourself. Pay attention to yourself. See what affect you and what benefit you. What affect you, let it go. What benefit you, hold on to it. Strive for better. Strive for good. Love yourself and you will be able to love others. You cannot Don't love yourself and expect other people to love you. When other people see you love yourself, they're going to fall in place. But when you hate yourself, they're going to follow right with you. So give yourself courage, give yourself a tap on the shoulder, and tell yourself, I love myself first. I love myself first. In order to love others and take care of others, take care of yourself first. If you don't have the strength, how can you take care of other people? Give yourself courage. Try to ask the Most High for the right state of mind that you can live the right way, that you can dwell the right way. Always pay attention to yourself. It might seem selfish, but it's not. You have to love yourself, pay attention to yourself, make yourself whole before you can pay attention to someone else. You have to find yourself, and you could help other people find themselves. So guys, thank you all. Love you all. Appreciate you guys. Keep doing the good work. Big up to all the hard working people out there who doing their thing. Shout out to you guys. Shout out to the moms. Shout out to the dads. Shout out to the kids. Everybody is doing a wonderful job. In these times of need, everyone is doing what they're supposed to do. So let's come together, stick together. But first, love yourself, find yourself. Thank you guys. Please like, subscribe and share.